Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. We are currently doing a world coin hunt, and that's world coin hunt number designated number 52. The first coin that we have is a French coin from 1998. It is a 2 franc coin, and on the front we have a depiction of the sower. On the reverse we have the designation of the value, the year and a vine. The mintage for this coin from 1998 is 45,025,013. The next coin we have is an aluminium coin from Yugoslavia from 1955, and it's a 5 dinar. On this side we have the coat of arms and also the country name. On the reverse we have the value, stars and the year. There is no mintage figures for this coin for this year. Third coin again shows the sower from France from 1972 this time, and it is a 5 franc coin instead of being a 2 franc or a 1 franc. On the reverse we have the value of 5 francs, we have the year, and we have a wreath or a bouquet of flowers. The mintage for this coin is 45,507,000. We then go to the country next door to France, Belgium. On the obverse here we have a portrait of Albert II. This coin was from 1998. On the reverse we have the value of 20 francs. We have the country and the year. The mintage for this 20 franc coin from 1998 is 6,500,000. The next coin in this hunt is from Malta. On there we have a ship, the country name, the year, and there seems to be some dolphin. Seems to be 4 dolphins either side of the ship, 2 on each side. There's, whoops, if I just, there and there. This 10-cent coin is from 1972. On the reverse you have a wreath of vines or flowers, and you have the value. They could even be wine vine, I suppose, wine vine, yeah, or grapevines. The mintage is 8,153,000. And to end the first part of first coins, set of coins, or first column of coins in this hunt, we have 2 25 peseta coins. One was from 1982 and I think the other one is 1983. Yeah, 82 and 83. On this one you got the portrait of Juan Carlos I and the year. It will be the same for that coin. On the reverse you have the crown above the value, and you have the Madrid mint mark. The 1982 coin has a mintage of 146 million. The 1983 coin has a mintage of 248 million. 2 very high minted coins. The next coin is that way up. There we go. This is a coin from Argentina, and it's a 2 pesos coin, and it is the commemorative for 200 years. It's from 2011. On this side you have the endless sun inside the patterned cottage. On the reverse, you also have the country name. On the reverse, you have the value and the year. The mintage for this commemorative is 244 million. This next coin is from Italy, and it has a portrait of a lady and the country's name on this side. It is a 1978 coin and has a value of 200 lira. On the reverse, you have the cog design with the value of 200 lira and the year. The mintage for this 1978 coin is 461,034,000. Next coin is from India. It's a 2 rupiah coin from 2015. On this side you have the name of the country and also the Ishuka pillar lions. On the reverse side, or on the other side, we have the value of 2 rupiah, we have the year, and we have some flowering vines. There is no mintage figures for this coin. Next place is the coat of arms for the Bank of the Philippines. We have the year and the country. It's the year 2000, it's a 500 rupiah. On the reverse, we have the 500 rupiah value. We have a flowering area of flowers up here, and we have the rest of the information at the bottom. This 500 rupiah coin from the year 2000 does not have a mintage figure. This coin is from Portugal. It is a 5 escudos from 1977. On this side we have a ship, the country and the year. On the reverse we have the coat of arms of Portugal and we have the value. This 5 escudos from 1977 has a mintage of 29,058,000. And the last coin in the second row of coins is this one. It's Argentinian. It has the COA, has the sun emblem, the year, the country and the value. And on the coat of arms at the back we have a coat of arms. With the date of 1813 to 58. The coin is from the year 2007 and the mintage is 33 million. And then the last set of coins starts off with this one. This one is from Belgium. It's a £5 coin that shows Albert II. It's from 1994. On this side we have the portrait of Albert II and his name. On the reverse we have the value, the year and the country. This 1994 £5 coin has a mintage of 30,060,000. Two coins at once there. There we go. We have Marianne, which probably tells you it's a French coin. And we have the country name. This is a 20 centime coin from 1968. On the reverse we have the value of 20 centimes. We have the year and the wheat ear going around either side. This 1968 coin has a mintage of 77,411,000. This next coin is from Belgium. It has Dutch text. Belgian coins can either have Dutch or French text. This one happens to have Dutch text. It's from 1977 and it is a 1 franc coin. We have the head of Perseus, or Perseus as it is, P-E-R-E-S, and on the back of Perseus' head, around the back of Perseus' head, is a cornucopia. If we turn it over, we have the value, an oak stem crowned, and the country name. The mintage for this 1977 coin is 68,500,000. Next coin is from Malaysia. It is a 20-cent coin from 1981. This side shows the parliamentary buildings of Malaysia, and on the reverse side of that, or on the other side of that, is the value of 20 cent, the year and the country name. The mintage for this 20 cent coin from 1981 is 144,127,993. Next we have a Japanese 1 yen and an aluminium coin. It's 1986, which is year 61. On this side we have the value. On the reverse side we have the bamboo shoot. This 1986 coin has a mintage of 417,960,000. Another mintage. Whoops. Here we have a coin from South Africa. It is a 1 cent coin from 1989. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the country name. On the reverse we have the value of 1 cent plus 2 Cape Sparrows. This 1989 coin has a mintage of 337,803,150. And finally, the last coin of the hunt. This hunt is actually a coin from Russia. It's a 5 kopeck from 2003. It has the year and St. George and the dragon and the country name on this side, which is unusual for a Russian coin. And then on the other side we have the 5 kopeck value with the scroll. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Oops, let's get it back the other way. Go on, get back. There we go. That ends this coin hunt. I have these coins back in the bag, ready for me to flip and put in to my date runs. I hope you've enjoyed this hunt. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, whether you're a returner or somebody who's viewing it for the first time, if you enjoyed what you've seen, could you please at least think about subscribing to the channel. I am looking to try and up my figures again this year. I'd like to hit, I've said a minimum of 200, but preferably 250 by the end of the year, and I'm currently at 158. So your help is very much needed, and I would be very grateful if you do subscribe to the channel. if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy. And until that time that we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.